So we have this array. Now we have this array of characters. Now our task is to count the occurrences of each of the characters. We have to count how many times a specific character is present in that array. So let's see how we can do that using JavaScript. So first we will create an final object which will have all the result of how many times a character is present in that array. And now we'll use the for each loop, and we'll store the final result in the array in the result object. So we'll check how many occurrences of that is present in that result. Now we'll just print the result. So you can see we are getting this result, and here it is saying how many times and specific element is there in the array. So how this code is working is that first of all we have created an object, okay, that will store the result of how many times a specific element is there, the occurrences, number of occurrences. And now we are iterating over each of the element in that array. And now we are checking if any instance of that element is already there in our result object or not. Okay, so that we are checking, and we are doing the checking here. So if that element is there, so we are just getting the count from here, and if it is not there, then we are taking the count as 0, and then we are just incrementing the count as 1 because we have just encountered that element. Okay, so that way it is iterating over each and every element of the array, and it is like checking if the element is already there, then it is just increasing that count by 1, or if the element is not there at all, then it is taking its current count as 0 and get increasing it by 1. So that way we are storing the result in that final object. So that way you can get like how many times a specific element is there in an array.